Today we will be checking the bug fix on the Clodify system. The bug is that we had empty page, like Clodify shows a white screen, but the API requests are responding. So the problem was that sometimes there was only the empty page. I have already logged in and everything is working, but I found another problem that was previously, like when I log out and log in one more time, the page is actually empty. Also, we can check from here, go to login page, and nothing. I found another problem here. It is already closed, but the empty page is opening if open the link here. Yeah, so this is the empty page. We can also check in the incognito mode. So this page is not redirecting us to login page. This should redirect us to login. So we need to, I guess we need to reopen this bug and add the comment that so the problem is actually the same like here. When we opening this link, it should redirect us to login page, but it's not doing this, and instead of this we can see the empty page. So I will okay, the link. Okay, so I will add this comment and reopen the task, the bug. That's it. So this is need to be fixed.